Hello, everyone. When I was younger, I had my life all planned out. I had clear goals, a path that I thought would be straight and predictable. Graduate from college, land the perfect job, climb the ladder of success, and live happily ever after. It sounds simple, right? But what I've come to realize is that life rarely goes according to plan. And it's in those unexpected detours where the real magic happens. Let me take you back a few years. I had just graduated, full of optimism and energy, and landed a job at a company I had dreamed of working for. I thought I was on my way to achieving everything I had envisioned. But 6 months into the job, something changed. The company downsized, and I lost my position. I was devastated. All those plans I had laid out in my head unraveled in a moment. I remember sitting in my tiny apartment, staring at the ceiling, wondering what had gone wrong. At that time, it felt like a complete failure. I had done everything right, but here I was, jobless and directionless. I could have let that moment define me. I could have sunk into despair and given up on my dreams. But instead, I made a decision that would change the course of my life. I embraced the detour. I didn't have a clear plan anymore, but I had an opportunity to redefine myself. Instead of going right back into the job market, I decided to travel for a bit. I had saved enough to survive for a few months, so I packed my bags and set off on an adventure. Something I had always wanted to do, but never had the courage to try. It was during my travels that I discovered a passion for writing and storytelling. I started a small blog, just for fun, to document my experiences and lessons learned on the road. I wrote about the people I met, the cultures I immersed myself in, and how each day taught me something new about resilience and adaptability. What started as a personal project soon turned into something much bigger. People began following my blog, connecting with my stories. I found a new sense of purpose in sharing my journey, not just the highs, but also the lows, the missteps, the uncertainties, and the moments of doubt. Eventually, I returned home, not to the corporate world, but as a full-time writer and speaker. I had stumbled upon a path I never imagined for myself. And it all began because I let go of my rigid plans and embraced the detour. Here's what I've learned from that experience. And these are the 3 key takeaways I want to share with you today. Failure is not the end. It's a new beginning. When we experience failure, it's easy to think that it's the end of the road. But often, it's just a redirection. What we perceive as failure can open doors to opportunities we never considered. Don't fear failure. Embrace it as part of your journey. Stay open to the unplanned. We spend so much time planning and controlling every aspect of our lives that we forget to leave space for the unexpected. Some of the best things in life happen when we are willing to adapt, pivot, and explore paths that weren't part of the original plan. You can't control everything, but you can control your attitude. Life is unpredictable, but the one thing we always have control over is how we respond to challenges. We can choose to be defeated by setbacks, or we can choose to learn from them and keep moving forward with a positive mindset. Looking back, losing that job was the best thing that ever happened to me. It forced me to confront my fear of uncertainty, and it led me to a life filled with creativity, adventure, and purpose. I never would have discovered my passion for storytelling if I hadn't allowed myself to embrace the detour. So, I ask you this, what detours are you avoiding in your life right now? What path are you clinging to, even though it no longer serves you? Maybe it's time to let go of the plan and trust that life's unexpected twists can lead you somewhere even better. Thank you.
Subscribe for more videos. Your support helps me create more content. Thanks for watching.